Alright guys, so real quick, obviously you're going to need a new filter. What I'm going to be using is a 16mm opening, and then just another opening, just because I didn't have anything bigger than an 18, which it is bigger than an 18. You're just going to be holding on this side here, just like that. It doesn't move, but you just want to hold the filter steady, that way it doesn't smack the fuel line or damage it in any kind of way. Alright, let's go ahead over this way. Alright guys, so the fuel filter is going to be on the driver's side. It's going to be right about here between passenger and driver door. Obviously it's going to change if you have an extended cab. And that's going to be your fuel filter right there. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold one end with that, just like that, from holding the fuel lines from moving around. Just going to use a 16. And start loosening it up. You're going to want a catch can on the bag, because as soon as you loosen that, it's going to start leaking. You always want to wear safety glasses, obviously. You also want to relieve the fuel pressure before attempting this. There's a couple different ways that you could do it. You could do it by just removing the fuse while the truck is running for the fuel pump. That'll release it. Or if the truck's been sitting for at least a day or two, then you should be fine. What I always like to do is just loosen it up and just give it a little bit of a tug. Just pull it slightly out and you'll see that it starts leaking. And that way it doesn't just spray all over the place. And then you do the same thing for the other side. So once you have that disconnected, you're going to want to pull, you have to put a little bit of force into it and just pull the fuel line out of the fuel filter. And that way it'll drift down into your catch can. That way it's not right here into the rails. So you got a bunch of fuel stuck in there. This side, pull it out. Just like that. And let it drain. And then you can just slide that one right out. Let the fuel drain. Set it aside. And you're going to want to go ahead and take a look at the new fuel filter here. It's going to have a directional arrow on it. You're going to want to make sure that that is facing the front of the vehicle, going towards the engine. And then you can slide that one right. Take off the caps. And just pop the new lines in. And then go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, so once you go ahead and tighten that up, you just want them snug, just a little bit past snug. You don't want to over torque it, you don't want to strip it, because then you're going to be replacing the fuel lines. Just go ahead and give it a quick little tug on each one, make sure the lines aren't loose. And then like always, you just want to get back in the truck. You're going to prime it a couple times to get the fuel back in the lines. And just get back under it and check for leaks. Make sure they're not leaking from the fittings. And you're all good to go. Thanks for watching.